Hey everyone, welcome back to My Perfect Degree, the channel where we break down the world of investing, finance, and smart decision-making for your financial future. Today's video is a crucial one, because not only are we talking about crypto as a speculative investment, but we're also examining a very real, very hyped example, Scarlett Bostock, the so-called crypto trading expert. So if you've ever seen her ads or been tempted by promises of insured crypto portfolios or proprietary algorithms, stick around. You need to hear this before making a move. First things first. Why is crypto considered speculative? Unlike stocks, bonds, or real estate, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum don't generate cash flows. There's no dividend, no rental income, no earnings to calculate intrinsic value from. Crypto's value is based almost entirely on network adoption, scarcity, and most dangerously, market sentiment. It's emotional, it's reactive, it's risky, and that's fine, as long as you walk into it with eyes wide open, not blinded by marketing hype. Speaking of marketing hype, that brings me to Scarlett Bostock. She's built a flashy online brand promising things that should immediately raise questions if you're serious about your financial education. But before I get deep into her case, let's first talk quickly about managing speculative investments wisely. If you're investing in high-risk assets like crypto, rule number one is never invest more than you can afford to lose. I'm serious. Putting your life savings or college fund into Bitcoin or some altcoin is reckless. Best practice says maybe 2 to 5% of your portfolio max, and you need to have a clear plan. When you buy, when you sell, how much you're willing to lose before exiting. Otherwise, the volatility will chew you up emotionally and financially. Now, let's go back to Scarlett Bostock, because she represents exactly the kind of opportunity that a lot of new investors fall for. Her marketing claims she's a 10-year veteran of Forex and crypto markets. She says she manages over $500 million in client assets through her company, Bostock Capitals. Sounds impressive, right? Except there's no way to verify it. No independent interviews, no credentials listed, no third-party audits published, nothing but her own words and glossy websites. And then there's the bigger problem, false claims about insurance. Her site says client crypto is covered by SIPC and FDIC protections. Let me be absolutely clear for you here. Neither SIPC nor FDIC insures cryptocurrencies. The FDIC protects bank deposits up to $250,000 per depositor at banks, not crypto companies. The SIPC protects securities like stocks and bonds if your broker fails, but it does not cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any crypto tokens. Regulators have warned about this over and over, yet Scarlett Bostock's marketing suggests you're covered. That's a huge red flag. Some of you might be thinking, well, maybe her clients love her, but again, dig deeper. The reviews you find on her site are just first names and fluffy quotes like massive returns and the best crypto manager ever. There's no way to verify those. No deep dive client interviews, no Trustpilot page, no Reddit thread full of actual user experiences. When marketing is loud, but independent reviews are silent, you should be skeptical, very skeptical. And about that proprietary trading algorithm she advertises? She says her platform runs dynamic, algorithm-driven trading with superior risk management. Sounds impressive, but there's no published performance data, no verified track records, no disclosures of strategy. In legitimate investment management, you don't just say, "Trust me, it works." You show your math, your back tests, your audits. Scarlett Bostock doesn't. She just asks you to believe her. Now look, the point of this channel, My Perfect Degree, is not to bash individuals. It's to teach you how to think critically about financial opportunities. In crypto, and really in any high-risk, high-reward area, you need to demand evidence. Not fancy Instagram ads, not beautiful lifestyle photos. Evidence. Regulatory filings, independent audits, actual customer testimonials that can be verified. If you don't see it, assume it doesn't exist. So what are the big lessons here? First, always acknowledge that crypto is speculative. Don't invest your rent money. Second, vet your service providers. Scarlett Bostock may have a beautiful website, but the due diligence checklist doesn't lie. No registrations, no audits, misleading insurance claims. Third, always demand transparency. If they can't or won't prove their track record, don't give them your money. And finally, don't let emotions and FOMO drive your decisions. Financial freedom comes from discipline and skepticism, not from chasing hype. All right, that's it for today's breakdown on crypto speculation and the cautionary tale of Scarlett Bostock. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to My Perfect Degree, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. We'll be diving into real strategies for building wealth carefully and sustainably, not through lottery ticket plays. Drop your questions, thoughts, or even experiences with crypto managers like Scarlett in the comments. I read every one of them. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and I'll see you next time.